It's very simple logic. Like banks. Bank does not have any money. Do you believe that? It is only our money that banks are using to trade. I have 1 million naira now. Okay, let me deposit it and give it to the bank. Another person went to the bank. Please, I need a loan of 500,000. It is out of my 1 million. They will give that person a loan of 500,000. You get it? Also in MMM, it is the number of people that are providing help. It is from there they have already made a provision for the 30% increase they are giving on each and everybody that is getting them out of MMM. You have 1,000 people that provide help of 10,000. You get it? 1,000 times 10,000. You can imagine how well it is. You now have maybe 20 people who wanted to get help of 100,000. There's already money in the system that will take care of it. You get it? That is maybe 20, maybe 100,000 together with their 30% increase, 130. 130 into 50. You can imagine there's already provision in the system. The system already has enough money to really take care of all those people. That's how the money comes. That's why in MMM it's always a sample. You get it? You provide help, you get help. If you want MMM to die now, it's very simple. Let everybody now stop each month providing help. MMM will die in natural death. But this is a platform that is helping everybody. Nobody wants it to die. We want it to grow more and more so that we can really liberate ourselves from all these banks. Banks, they are thieves. I was complaining to my wife that one of my accounts I don't operate. You know, it's a money that they always charge me. They charge 2.8 as they like. But in MMM, something we never have. Rather, the money is really that. You change the guy that. If you find me that I'm not asking, the way you want me to learn, you go online, log into your account, click on support, right there. You ask them to change your guide, they will change it for you. A lot of people always rush into guide with it. You get it? Because of the bonus, guide bonus, they want to. Being a guide, there are a lot of things that share with it. You must be ready to make sacrifice. You must be patient enough and you must be knowledgeable about everything so that I can be able to explain it to them. Any member that come across, any question they ask you, you must be able to attend to them. The Vivian you mentioned is a guide and also a consultant. She is forcing me now to be a consultant. I'm still considering it. She is forcing me now to also become a consultant because we still need more consultants in Nigeria. Most of the time, if you go online, the consultant that we attach to you may not necessarily be a Nigerian, but you never know. But the people you are talking about, we call it Mama MMM. It's a consultant in Nigeria. She is forcing me now to also have the two accounts. But we have opened it, there are a lot of these things there. Only that we are meeting for the first time. If you have met me then, I will have told you how to make it correct. Even with your bank details, you just go there. You don't need to edit it. Just add another bank details to it. When you are creating an account, when you are adding your bank account, you can just click another add instead of edit. Just click add. Add another bank to it. Only that when the time you are getting help, you must make sure that you identify that particular one so that it is in that account they are paying your money. So, I believe I'm answering your question. MMM abroad, you have charity, you have testimony, you have testimony. And you have letter about get M. Those letters that is maybe a letter of happiness, people that are already getting money out of the system, how they are doing it, you get it. So anybody that is maybe as a new member now, wanted to join MMM, as you are joining MMM. So the first thing you will click on registration, which is that. You will click on registration. There is a form that will be filled out for you. You will fill the form. You have your name. It's very important. It can be your nickname. Your name can be your nickname. You have your email, your that is being known to you. You confirm your password. You get it. Then who invites you into MMM? You have it here. Then your guider's email. Like me now, you want to choose me as your guider, you just put my email. Okay. Which is everglow1@gmail.com. You just put it here. Who invited you into MMM? Put the email of that person here. After your guider's email, you have your guider phone number. Though it's not necessary. First level you get to is a security code here. You have to type the security code here before you now click login. 39879. I press enter. It will load. And you now bring it down here now. My email or phone number, then my password. As you are registering, you know you are registering with your email and also with your password. Let me log into my personal account. This is how my own personal office will look like. Though as a new member, you get it, you will not see all this one. You will not see it there. You get it, you will not see them there. You will not see them there. You only see this. This is my level, my star. So we have stars there that is changing. Though this one has changed. It's more than this one. You only see this one. But at the top also, you see here, dashboard. After dashboard, you have participants. After then, you have my page. After then, you have my group. After then, you have account. The first thing, after your registration, other elements, come to account. Account so that you can add your bank details. You can have your bank details. Help me encourage Mr. Wale to come forward and to He's an old man, but they will not. Every people come out, they will not want you to.
I'm very pleased to be around here, and although I'm just sitting for the very first time, I've not seen it before, but I'm just sitting for the very, very first time. But as you rightly said, everything that he has said here is very, very true. Let me tell you one thing, we are in an information age, and information is very, very powerful. If you know how to keep into information, your life is very, very transformed. I'm telling you that. Now, one thing with MMM is how to be very, very honest. This is a platform that preaches honesty. If you are not honest, then I tell you, you might not go far in MMM. That's number one. The number two thing is also that you must be able to be transparent, which is very similar to honesty. You have to be very, very transparent in all your dealings. You must not have multiple accounts. In MMM, you are only expected to have one account. And MMM is not a business. It's not a business for sale. It's just a platform for helping people. If you have in mind to help people, I'm telling you, you are going to go far in MMM. Forget about the money aspect, which is very, very important. You also make money with everybody. But I'm telling you that how to use your mind to help people, you are going to go far. Like myself, I'm a guy that under the social aspect, just know that see my name under the then this is the platform to join. I'll bring it to other businesses. But I'm telling you, MMM is not a business, but it can help you to elevate yourself and it can help you to affect people around you. It is nothing that you have ever seen before. It was launched in Nigeria in October. November to be precise. But I joined in January. I've been under the South Africa platform before I joined the Nigerian platform. So it is an opportunity for you to grab. I'm telling you, don't leave here without registering in MMM. Because that is the only platform. You can, like myself, I'm not if you are joining, don't let anybody, if you have another member that's never around you, don't let the person log in into your account through your phone. One person, one phone, one account. Do you understand? Because your money might be siphoned through that means. Do you get it? So you need to protect your account jealously. Because a lot of scammers are around. A lot of scammers, they are beginning to understand how MMM works and they want to penetrate to the system. And by the grace of God, they will not be able to penetrate to the system. You understand? So I need you to open yourself. Like you said, you can participate as little as you are. If you know, that's why I don't know, it's open to everybody. Everybody is, you can participate with whatsoever you have. It's just your spare money. Don't say because I don't have 1 million. No parents just say it's not telling you to have 1 million. If you have 1,000, participate. If you have 2,000, participate. Any amount that you know you have and you can be able to afford, participate with it. Just note that when your help is being matched, make sure the money is available, because if you don't send the money to the recipient, then your account will be blocked. He has said everything, and I think it's a round of applause for the job for him. What I just advise everyone of you to do now is, you have not registered, don't see the in that industry. Make sure you see and you register online, because MMM is here to create a fair financial freedom. Then together we can change the world. God bless all of you. Thank you.
Invited to a gathering to sensitize some group of people regarding this network. Because the world now is dynamic, you understand? Anytime. And honestly, anytime.
Our fathers, right? Our fathers and our late father, why they could not make it then was the people that has money then, when during their lifetime, they did not reveal the secrets of their success to them. People like late MKO Abiola, his colleagues said he was unable to reveal the secret of his success to many of them. Let us give kudos to the people who are in the line of education now. Education has broken the keys of broke the monopolistic market of the gap between the rich and the poor now. That is why the networking is coming up, is coming up here and here, and it's all about free. So I'm using this medium to tell you that if Paraventure will call you to gather some group of people, you understand, will you be able to come up, and that is one thing. In this vicinity as a whole, there's a community. You are the son of the soil, if I will say. God will help you. People are looking up to you, you understand? You still need more hands. You understand? God will help you. Then, flyers goes a long way. You need flyers. What is going to cost you to spread, you understand? They are having feed along the road here, you understand? Because, and then, you have to use one thing again there, our local language. Because many of us, if I'm good with due respect, many of us, all these grammars you are talking here, it sounds as if you are going to form 1 9 us. You understand? You get understand? If it's going to cost you to speak in Yoruba, Igbo, you understand? Because our life was not remain the same. Our life was changed for good. People that ride cars, many of them did not ride the car with their own set of the money. You understand? It is through this networking of the thing. You understand? It is from the proceeds. It is from the proceeds they are able to make from this soil. So I will implore you to still deal with the management, how they can still help you and partner with the community at large. That's my own little contribution.
MMM is. But also the issue of local language, I've looked at the settings. I see that all of us understand the English language, and the only means I can communicate with everybody that's here, Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, that's here, is by the word of English. That's why I use it. Sometimes we find ourselves among the local women, all these market women, all those things. At least we will compare to the local language. And also, this was the first seminar we are holding here. Subsequent to it, if we maybe 2 or 3 weeks, we'll be having
MMA, you understand? Then we are having open field here, you understand? By the time you go to the extent of having flyers, you understand? Fix a particular day, you understand? Probably once in a good month, you understand? To have a open ground program there that will ginger because many are there, they don't even know, they need something like this to come up. But you don't know how to travel here.
It's Femi Thompson. This is the first time coming across the MMM Nigeria. Honestly, networking business has gone a long way as far as Nigeria is concerned. And I believe this is the first this is the first of the time in the Disha community at large. This is have been made to empower our youth, because the youth is our youth. They are lacking behind because many of this program is not known to us. But I appreciate the coordinator in respect of Mr. Majid, who has brought this to the community. So these are now beginning to change our life. And by the time we begin to partner with this MMM Nigeria, I believe the sky is the limit. Our life will change. We will not depend on anybody, you understand? Every business is a risk. By the time you begin to dabble into the business, you understand? Honestly, the tip of our heart, your life will change. MMM Nigeria.
Together we change the world.
Thank you very much.
My name is Dan once we participate in but I still have something confusion. But when I got there today, what I listened from Mr. Majid, understood. I understood everything he has taught us today concerning MMA. MMA really works. I can confirm that it really works and it pays. You are rest assured to get your money. Your money is paid to the real person, not to the you can call the person, you can confirm for the person. At times when I want to pay, I call the person before I pay. Are you so I'm for are you so when the person say yeah, okay, I'm going to pay into your account. Please, when you get the alert, make sure you confirm. So it pays. I enjoy everyone to join this group. Together we can change. Thank you very much.
Actually, this is not my first time I'm hearing about this in my community, but by the special grace of God, here I am today and I'm elected just to participate in this program. Actually, I registered in MMM sometime last month, but I'm here today very, very happy to announce that I've received my first payment in MMM. I started with 12,000 naira last month, and today I'm proudly announcing that I have paid another 70,000 naira. And that 70,000 naira is still